Hi, in this video we're going to run through setting up a very simple common vote for homecoming royalty. So you can see right here we're at the main page. I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now this school doesn't have any votes set up yet, so we're just going to click the Start a New Vote button. And this vote we're just going to do online. We're not going to do any text messaging. And we'll just call it Homecoming Court 2011. Next. And this is a student-based vote, so we hit Next. And then we could specify dates and times we want the polls to be open, but we're just going to open and close the polls manually, so we'll leave that checked and hit Next. And as I said, we're going to do a simple vote, so we're not going to have any photos or bios, so we'll leave both of those unchecked and hit Next. That'll create the vote and take us back to the Edit Vote screen where we can set up our categories. So I'm going to click the Add a Category button. And we're going to set up categories, since this is a homecoming vote, for each class and each gender. So we'll start with the freshmen, and we'll have the freshman prince. We'll say that only freshmen can vote, but both males and females can vote. But since it's the prince category, only freshman males will be candidates. And we'll do the same for the females. And we'll go through, I'll go ahead and speed through here and set the rest of these up. Okay, so we finished setting up the categories. You can see we've got categories for each grade and each gender. We've got our candidates set up. We've got our voters set up, and they're all grade specific. So we're ready to open the polls. We simply click Start, and the vote's running. Now, if we want, we can also flip back to the votes page. We can now see that we have this vote set up. It is running. We don't have any votes yet. And we can actually view a sample of what the ballot would look like to see who the candidates would be for each category. And that'll let us know that the filters are set up the way we want them to be. And that's all there is to setting up a simple vote on TallySpace.